Hey, universe, if this person is good for me and manifesting them in my life is a good idea, show me a sign. This is what I did, and the results are absolutely hilarious and brilliant. It just won't stop pouring. And I'm going to take you exactly through what I did, how it worked out, and I'll show you a proof. I will show you two proofs. So it's undeniable. But before we go there, Yana Green, international award-winning success and manifesting coach, and I teach people how to manifest at the speed of light. Why? Because I do, and I'll show you today. People who are with me, who spend some time with me, know this. My clients, my friends, my family, and they're at awe how quickly I manifest. And I'm teaching you on this channel for free. So subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I release a new video, and learn, learn, learn. You will get it too. It's easy, people. It's really easy. So before I get to my story, I just want to put this out there. You can ask universe for signs. Ideally, you don't need signs, but if you're in that stage of your manifesting that you still want signs, I do it for fun because I know I'm getting it. But if you're in that stage of manifesting that you'd like to sign that to help you believe that you're getting it, do the same. Am I gonna get the new car? Universe, show me a Dalmatian. Universe, if I'm getting pregnant this year, show me a baby today. Universe, if I'm getting married this year, show me a wedding today. I do it today to you because you're not used to this speed. It may take a day, two, three, but it will happen. It's inevitable. Universe, if I'm getting promotion, show me Louis Vuitton handbag. Whatever. You set the rules. That's your contract between you and your universe. You set the rules. You say what you want. And I did this. If this person belongs in my life and it's a good idea and it's going to work out, please show me a pink car. Well, I will show you what happened. This is my this is my TikTok watch history, and I see hundreds of videos a day. And look at that. There's two pink cars within 1 minute or less, because I just do this. And now I will show you my saved car list. And look at that. The things I like. This is pink cars absolutely everywhere. Yeah, there's more here. Do you see it? I see about, yeah, more here, more here. Pink, pink, pink. I see in videos about 20 pink cars a day. And then when I drive, I see in real probably two, three more. And it's a double-decker bus, it's a car, it's a van, it's a bike. It's a bike. Today I saw a pink bike on my trip to Winchester, which was adapted to sell sandwiches, but it was a pink bike with double wheels at the back. I see it everywhere all the time. And I asked like weeks ago, and I see more and more and more and more and more every day. And I promise you, I hate cheating. I hate dishonesty. I have not put in the search bar, pink car. I don't need to do that. I'm a master manifester. I just asked for it. And because I'm having fun with it, because I don't care, because I already know it's mine, it just keeps pouring. And it's big Ford truck, then it's a Lamborghini, then it's something from Fast and Furious, and then it's whatever, a Beetle, Volkswagen van, everything imaginable. Porsche, Mercedes, everything imaginable in pink just comes to me. I don't have to do a squat. I just sit on my chair and I do, and that's it. And I want to urge you, because I know that a lot of you do not have yet the faith and absolute knowing that universe you ask and you get. I urge you to play a game with Universe as much as you can, as often as you can. Universe, I want to see uh, pink peony. I want to see a yellow car. I want to see a cub of kittens. I want to see five red sports cars. It's easy. It's easy. I give it a minute to 20 minutes and I will see it. Yesterday I said, yeah, Heineken, I'll never drink that again. Fifth video, advertising of Heineken. It's just easy. But I know that it works. That's why it's easy for me. And I need you to get that confidence. So ask for signs all the time, every day, and see what happens. I kid you not. 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks ago, I was driving in my car and I was like, I'm tired of the signs. I'm just bored. That day, I was like, I don't want to see any more signs. I'm fed up. Just leave me alone. Because there are signs all the time of everything I ask for the day before and the 2 days before. It's hilarious. It's like, I'm bored now. It works fantastically, and you need to get that confidence. So go and do it and write to me how it went. And I will take a screenshot and put it somewhere so you can see that I'm not talking shit. People, it's just too easy. Do that and let me know how it went. And if you want some extra support, check the link into my Manifestation HQ headquarters, where I have it's a membership site for funny money, 2 coffees worth. I teach how to manifest, especially money, but generally everything. And people have surreal results. Like one of the people 2 months ago, 25K in 3 days. It's not difficult. I'll see you there. Ciao for now.